Hey everyone, want to connect Slack to ClickUp? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Slack with ClickUp, improve team communication, and receive important project updates instantly step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, go to your ClickUp settings and open the **integrations ** section. Now find ** Slack from the available integration options and select it. Click the option to connect Slack and sign in to your Slack account. Allow ClickUp the required permissions to access your Slack workspace and complete the connection process. Once connected, choose how you want ClickUp and Slack to work together. I mean, you can receive notifications about important task updates without constantly switching between apps. Next, customize your notification settings to control which ClickUp activities appear in Slack. You can set up notifications for new tasks, task assignments, comments, status changes, due dates, and other project updates. Now connect specific ClickUp spaces, folders, or lists with Slack channels to keep conversations organized around different projects. Use Slack messages to create or manage ClickUp tasks when needed, helping your team turn discussions into action items. Review your integration settings regularly and adjust notifications to avoid unnecessary messages. Finally, combine Slack communication with ClickUp project management to create a smoother workflow for your team, and that's how to connect Slack to ClickUp. By integrating communication and task management, you can keep your team updated, reduce missed information, and manage projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.